Have you ever tried using the Disney app and felt lost? Maybe you don't know where to find your favorite movies or shows. You're not alone. The Disney app can be a little bit tricky at first, but I'm here to help you every step of the way. First, open up the app and make sure that you're logged in. You're going to see a big selection of movies and shows. You want to find your favorites fast? Try using the search bar at the top. It's super easy. Next, you're going to explore categories like Disney Classics, Marvel, and Star Wars. You can also create your own profile to get personalized recommendations. Now, don't forget about the watch list feature. This is where you can save movies or shows that you want to watch later. So simply click the plus sign next to the title and it's added. Need to download shows for offline viewing? The Disney app makes it simple with the download button, all right? So basically, now you're pretty much ready to start your Disney adventure. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.